Hello. Today I'm going to be working on a different sketchbook, and I'm actually going to be crow journaling. So if you don't know what crow journaling is, I actually first heard the term somewhere online. I forgot where, maybe TikTok or something. But I had already started doing something like that. It's essentially like journaling slash scrapbooking with all the fun things that you collect and stuff. Like I like to collect a lot of or like old packaging that you think is super cute, or old stickers, or like postcards and stuff that don't really do anything except like sit in a drawer. And so I like to just sort of scrapbook it all together and everything, and just sort of like do something fun and easy for when I want to draw or I want to create something, but I don't want to think too hard about it or do anything too technical. So a lot of this stuff is just like leftover things that I've bought throughout the years or way back when, or received as gifts, or just like packaging that's like super cute, you know, like from like Blindboxes and stuff. I just like cut them out and then I save them inside this little like container just because they're all small, you know. But yeah, so today I'm going to be working on this page. There's not really anything too crazy to think about when you're crow journaling, just sort of putting stuff down aesthetically however you like it. Alright, my glue stick. This is actually so sick though, because I got it in Japan and it's shaped like a square, so that way when you paste something on your paper, it hits the corner perfectly, so you can just like go ahead and slide down. But we're gonna start with this like little postcard thing that I got in like a really big bulk set. And I prefer glue sticks a little bit more than liquid glue, just because liquid glue can sometimes pucker the paper. And I also have this one. I like to just paste down a lot of the big ones just to get the paper covered. And I usually don't have any ideas except for a certain color scheme. So I think this one I want to be more pink oriented. So I found a bunch of pink washi tapes and pink items that I've cut out before. Just laid them all out just so I have an idea of what I want to put on here. See what other pink things I pulled out. Oh, this is also from a Blindbox. Super cute. A lot of times I just like to move stuff around and see where I like to. This paper feels really nice. It's really thick. I like buying blind boxes a lot, but I don't really ever know what to do with the little cards that come with them. So this has been a really nice way to just sort of like preserve them and like find a use for them that isn't just like sitting in my drawer. This is so cute. Oh, I don't want to cover that. Maybe right here. It's okay if you cover the image underneath. It just like depends on what your vibe is, what you're going for. And to fill up this empty space, I think I'm gonna... Sometimes I like putting pictures upside down. That way it's like when you rotate your book and stuff, it looks fun. And I actually covered the sides of this with washi tape. Yeah. Instead of just a plain white. It gives it some pink and blue. Okay, let's see. I also have like a little box where I keep all my loose stickers and stuff like that. And so sometimes it takes a lot of time to just sort of dig through and see what you want to use. But I have this cute little guy. I think I want it here. This stamp is so cute. It just says good. Then I think I'm gonna put this down here. Just a little cloud here. So very easily you just see that it all just comes together as soon as you just start sticking stuff down. Put this here as a border. Oh, it's coming up a little bit, so I'm gonna put some glue down. Oh, I want to put this Kirby on here. Maybe not today. Oh, this baby though. Here or here? I think I like them here better, in the hustle and bustle. With heavier pieces, like this one is cardboard, you want to just do a couple extra layers of glue just to make sure. And I also like to add elements, just like using acrylic markers or something. So I think it would be cute if there's like vines. Cute. I really want to use these stickers. So cute. I'm gonna have them right here. Gonna outline the shadow.